Ever wondered how you can contribute to sustainable gardening right in your backyard? Let's explore a simple yet effective method, one that nourishes your garden while recycling waste. The practice of mulching. Well, the answer might be simpler than you think. Mulching. Mulching is an easy and effective way to enhance your garden's sustainability. It's a technique that uses various materials to protect and enrich your garden, offering numerous benefits for both the environment and your plants. Today, we'll delve into the top 5 sustainable mulching options. Ready to learn about the top 5 sustainable mulching materials? The first sustainable mulching material on our list is straw. Straw is a fantastic choice as it's affordable, easy to spread, and great for improving soil structure. However, it can also attract pests, so it's best used in vegetable gardens. Next up is compost. This nutrient-rich material not only nourishes your plants but also promotes healthy soil microorganisms. The downside? It breaks down quickly, requiring frequent replenishment. Third on our list is shredded bark. It's long-lasting and aesthetically pleasing, perfect for ornamental gardens, though it can be a bit pricey and can make your soil somewhat acidic. Fourth, we have grass clippings, an excellent option if you mow your lawn regularly. They're rich in nitrogen but can form a hard layer if applied too thickly. Finally, we have leaves. They're abundantly available and free. They improve soil fertility and structure, but can mat down and prevent water penetration if not shredded first. And there you have it, our top 5 materials for sustainable mulching. Sustainable gardening is within everyone's reach with these simple mulching materials. Remember, grass clippings, compost, straw, wood chips, and cardboard are all excellent choices for sustainable mulching. Give them a try. Enjoyed this video? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.